Hello friends. So in this video we will discuss how to access and modify global variable in Python. So many a time generally people face this problem that whenever we want to access any global variable then there cause some error. So in this video we will discuss step by step how to access and even modify it. Okay, that is to change the value. Okay, so this is the first program that I have written, and if I ask you that what will be the value of this line, means after execution what will be the output. So generally you will say that the output will be 20, means many people says that, because see here this is a global variable. Global variable basically means that is outside, means outside of the function, most outer one. So this is the function, this is the function. Now if I have declared any variable like this one which is inside the function, then this is called local variable and this is called global variable. So I have named this global val. So you can use any name of your choice. And okay, so and I have assigned a value of 10. So this is the value of global variable. Now what I have done, I have now called this function which is fun1. So you can use any name. Okay, now after I call this function, so now the program will start from here. Now the execution of this line will be done because it is inside this function. Now what I have done, I have tried to change the value of this one. So initially it was 10 and I have done it 20. Okay, so up till this everything is right. Now when I try to print the global val, so generally people think that there should be 20, but let me run this. Okay, now to your surprise this is 10. So here comes the main topic. Okay, so please pay attention. So this was the global variable, but when I have called the function and inside this function this is another variable, so this global val and this global val both are not same. If I have written global val equals to 20, it means Python is not understanding that this is same as this one. It has created a new variable with the same name, although the name is same, but this one and this one both are different. So directly Python is not understanding that whether I am talking about this global or not. That's why it is not changing the value of this one. This value is not being changed, but it creates a new variable of its own and then assigning a new value. So we have seen, by running this code, I hope all of you understood that to access this variable, this is not the method. By directly writing the variable name, it is not possible. Okay, so how to do this? Because see, if the value had been changed, so here 20 should be printed, but here 10 has been printed. So now comes the solution. So the method is just a simple one. So there is a simple method, just you have to use this keyword global, that's all. Once you use this keyword, then everything will be right. Now once I have so see, everything is same. All the codes that I have written here, I have copied it here also. Just a new line has been added, which is this one. Okay, so this line or this keyword global basically tells the Python that you have to look for this variable in the global variable section. Okay, now Python what it will do, it will look for this variable outside of this function and it will find it somewhere here. Now after this, whenever you use global val, it will understand that this is the same as this one. Now if I change the value of 20 and finally if I print this, now let me run this. Yeah, so you can see 20 has been printed. So it means now we can easily change the value of this variable or any global variable. You could use any variable, okay, of your choice. To use that, just remember one thing, you have to add this line. Just write global and then whatever variable you are referring to. Once you write this, Now it is okay. Now Python will understand that yes, this is the variable, or this this variable, or this word you have to find in the global section. Okay, so it will go outside and look for this variable. Okay, and then you can easily change the value. So I hope it is clear. So just you have to use global. Once you use global keyword, and then whatever the name of variable you want, you can use this. So once you write global, it will understand that yes, this is the it is asking. Okay, let me give you one more example. So let us say I declare a variable x by, or x equals to 90. Now to access this one, again I have to write global x. Now once I write global x, now Python will look for this x in the outer section, and it will find it somewhere here. Now if I will try to change the value of x, let's say 99, okay, and finally print x. So I hope you will get the changed value, not the 90. You should get 99. Okay, so you can see 99 has been printed, and for global val 20 has been printed. So I hope it is clear. To grab the global variable, or to grab the, or to access the global variable, use the global keyword. Once you use this keyword, Python will understand, okay, so whatever variable you are writing after global, it will look in the outer section, and then afterward whenever you use this value, it will understand that this is the global one, and it will do accordingly. So I hope it is clear. So this was all from my side, and if you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and that's all. Take care. Bye.